Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and keeping safe. Today I'll be sharing my signature makeup look. So if you're interested, then continue watching. First step, I'm going to be washing my face with this La Organo apple cider vinegar face wash. I have done in-depth detailed review on this product. Please do check it out because it's an amazing face wash and it's very mild, and most importantly it is Indian brand with chemical free. It has no parabens, no sulfates. I really like this face wash because it has very gel like consistency which glides on our skin very smoothly, and it suits for all skin types, especially for sensitive skin. If you have acne prone skin, you can definitely give it a try as the consistency is very mild and it's very gentle on our skin. Also, it prevents acne and balances skin oils and also purifies your skin. It literally detox your skin completely. I would highly recommend you guys to try this product out. You can always get it on discount. I'll provide the link for the product in the description box. Do check that out. And for detailed review, click on the I button so that you get to know each and every detail of the product. So you can just use the face wash with your hands itself. I just used brush today because I was in a mood to use brush. That's it, nothing else. And once I washed my face, this is how my face looks. It feels so refreshed, and it feels really cleansed from deep. So I really like this face wash, as I said. Now next up, I'm just moisturizing my lips. Moving on, I have another product from the same brand which is called as activated charcoal peel off mask. I'm not going to be using this today, but I wanted to share it with you guys how amazing this product is. It has a very good consistency which is suitable for all skin types. You don't have to worry while using this peel off mask because it is suitable for sensitive skin, if you have acne prone skin or any type of skin, and it is also unisex product. So do check it out. You have a detailed review over here on the I button. Click on that and check out how amazing this product is. Now moving on, I'll be using another last product from the same brand, La Organo Vitamin C facial serum. So this serum has 20% of vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. So this serum I have been using from the past 2 months, like maybe more than 2 months. I really love this serum. I have finished half the bottle. It's an amazing serum for all skin types and all skin problems. As we all know, vitamin C has antibacterial and anti-aging properties. It will help a lot in improving your skin texture and regenerate your skin. Also, it keeps our skin hydrated throughout, so definitely give a try. All of this product link will be in the description box. Do check that out. And yes, let's just move on with the next product. So I'll be using sunscreen after serum. So make sure if you're using any vitamin C serum, you have to apply sunscreen. If it is in the morning or night, doesn't matter, you just have to apply sunscreen in the morning, and if you want, you can apply moisturizer in the night after vitamin C serum. So once it's done, this is how my skin looks. Now moving on, I'm gonna be filling my eyebrows with this eyeshadow palette. It's a Maybelline eyeshadow palette which I really don't like, but I like to use it, and I have to finish it, so I'm gonna be using it as filling my eyebrows with one of the color. So I'm filling my eyebrows with that, and I'll be just using spoolie, and then I'm gonna be using some powder. If you feel like your eyebrow have overdone, you can just use some loose powder and it will set all together. Then next step, for my base, I'll be using this concealer. This is the LA Girl concealer. I'm not going to be using any foundation because usually on daily basis I never use foundation. I like to keep my base very simple, very minimal, because I sweat a lot, and I also don't like anything heavy on my skin. So that's the reason I like to use lightweight concealer, and then on top I like to blend it with the brush, spritzing some primer water or setting spray, and I like to make sure the concealer is blended nicely and it's not too harsh on my skin. So I take time in blending. After blending with the brush, I like to blend it with my fingers or sometimes with the beauty blender. So now I'm gonna be blending it with my fingers, and this is how my base looks. It's very light, natural and practical. Using this Eleanor compact powder, I'm setting my full face. Then I like to apply blush. So I'm using this blush from Blue Heaven, I'm gonna be applying blush on my cheeks, going a little bit overboard, and then making sure it's all blended nicely. Also applied it on my nose, which makes much difference. I'm really enjoying this kind of blushy nose and blushy cheeks. So then I'm gonna be curling my lashes and prepping up for my mascara. But before that, I did remove my lip balm, and now I'm using this matte lipstick from L'Oreal. So I usually use matte lipsticks. This is like very lightweight, not too like crusty matte. It's very light, very creamy matte. I love the texture. It's very comfortable. So I'm gonna be applying it and letting it dry so that when I wear mask, it will not spread all over. And to finish off my makeup look, using this mascara from L'Oreal, coating my upper and bottom lashes. With this, I complete my simple, everyday, practical makeup tutorial, which is my signature makeup. I really love this makeup look. It feels so elegant, though it's simple. I love only this kind of makeup on everyday basis with bold eyebrows. Also, it's mask friendly makeup look. I have been wearing same makeup under mask and I've been loving it because I don't feel heavy at all. So yes, with that being said, I'll finish this video. I hope you guys like this video and this video was helpful, and don't forget to check the La Organo link in the description box. I'll see you all in my next video super soon. Thank you all so much for watching.